Hi everyone, this is Nazir with the final project for MDF3 1411. For this project we had to use Google Play API for the maps and create a photo mapping application. So my application is working 100%, but I just couldn't run it on an emulator because that emulator does not have the Google Play API. So I tried a couple troubleshooting steps and I haven't been able to figure out yet. So I just made a walkthrough video on the actual device. It's working there.
It takes me to where I am right now, and if I click add, it takes me to this page. If I tap anywhere, it takes me to the camera, and I can hit save, and it posts it here. Then I could type up the name of that picture in here. Then I can hide the keyboard and hit save, and there we go. It gives me a pin or a marker where that picture was taken. If I tap on it, it takes me straight back with the name showing and the picture. And I can go back and long tap anywhere on the map, take a picture, hide it, and save. And it puts a marker in the place that I tapped. If I go there, tap it, it shows all the right details. And these markers are persistent, so if I exit the app completely, reopen it, it'll take me my current position. This is the first picture I took. If I swipe up, this is the second one I took. And that is pretty much it for the app.
So structure and efficiency. So I have fragments for creating and viewing my form and data. I am using the map fragment to display the map, and I also have a custom object. So for the image section, I actually have a second activity here that handles both the creation and viewing of these pictures and the form. So down here, as soon as the picture button is pressed, it checks the GPS and gets the coordinates, and then starts the process for the image. And then over here it pushes that image to the form fragment so that it displays in the actual form, and then adds it to the gallery down here. And then once the save button has been pressed, it runs this method which captures all the data that has been entered or captured via the GPS into this method that pushes it over to the right to file up here, where it stores it in the custom directory so I can pull it later. And for a more efficient storage of these pictures and to allow duplicate titles, I'm actually using the image name, which is a combination of the date, hour, minute, and seconds, so that I always have this unique identifier for each picture. For the maps, I have my map fragments up here. The first thing I check is the GPS to see if I have an actual lock. Now if I do have a lock, then I zoom the map into the current location. Otherwise I just look for a marker and zoom into that last marker on the screen. And then I also have my info Windows adapter, on info Windows click listener, and on map long click listener down here. And then as you saw in the demo, the app launches with the map are displayed. If there were any markers, they're shown there. It zooms in on the current location. The user can create a new form with two entry, which is the text and the picture, and that gets saved along with that unique identifier. And a long press does capture the coordinates, send it over to the form so that it gets captured with a new entry. And then whenever that marker is clicked, it takes that user to a detail page where it just displays all the data that's inside that marker. And then finally for the data storage, so like I said, I have this serialized object that are being saved using that unique identifier. So that's it for my project. I'll see you guys later.